Now let me introduce you the paper feeding unit. Serve fresh free, dual box. Left baffle, right baffle, front baffle. All adjusted by the touch screen. Left baffle have one roller here, and the right baffle is bigger. It's more helpful in future connect to the feeding machine. Control work table, all controlled by UK-CT servo motor. Touch screen adjust the paperboard thickness. This machine equipped with 4 rows dust mold brushes. 1 row is here. Another 3 rows is here. Each unit can be moved by press the lock button. Full Siemens electric and UK-CT servo driver. Only this green UK-CT servo driver is fully imported